Welcome to today's video where we delve into the incredible benefits of daily walking and how it can transform your body for effective weight loss. You might be wondering, walking, really? Can something so simple truly make a difference? The answer is a resounding yes. Walking, a low-impact activity that's accessible to nearly everyone, can be a powerful tool in your weight loss journey. When undertaken regularly, it not only burns calories, but also improves overall health. This video is all about exploring the potential of daily walking for weight loss. We'll be diving into the science behind it, discussing how much walking is effective, and sharing methods to enhance your walking routine. So are you ready to take a step towards better health and a fitter body? Stick with us to find out how. You may wonder, how does a simple activity like walking aid in weight loss? Well, it's all about the science. When we walk, we engage many of our body's muscles, especially those in our legs, glutes, and core. This muscle engagement leads to an increase in our metabolic rate, which determines how many calories we burn at rest. Now, let's delve into the science a bit more. When we walk, especially at a brisk pace, our heart rate increases. This increased heart rate means our bodies are working harder, pumping blood and oxygen to those active muscles. This process requires energy, and our bodies get this energy by burning calories. So, the longer or faster we walk, the more calories we burn. But that's not all. Walking also stimulates our body's metabolism. Metabolism is our body's process of converting what we eat and drink into energy. Even when we're at rest, our bodies need energy for all its hidden functions, such as breathing, circulating blood, adjusting hormone levels, and growing and repairing cells. The number of calories our bodies use to carry out these basic functions is known as our basal metabolic rate. Regular walking can boost this basal metabolic rate, meaning we burn more calories even when we're not walking. This is because muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does. So the more muscle we have, the more calories we burn throughout the day, even when we're just sitting around. Beyond burning calories and boosting metabolism, walking has numerous other health benefits. It improves cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, improves mood, and promotes better sleep. All these factors can indirectly contribute to weight loss and overall well-being. Sources from reputable health websites and scientific journals such as the Mayo Clinic and the American Heart Association corroborate these findings. They emphasize the role of walking in maintaining a healthy weight and improving overall health. Clearly, the science backs up the effectiveness of walking for weight loss. But how much should you walk to see results? The question is not whether walking can help you lose weight, but rather, how much walking you need to do. As we delve into the specifics, we find that to make a meaningful impact on weight loss, maintaining a moderate walking pace for at least 30 minutes, 5 days a week is recommended. But what does moderate pace mean? It refers to a speed where you're working up a bit of a sweat, yet still able to carry on a conversation. This level of activity not only helps burn calories but also contributes to your overall health. Consistency is key here. Just as Rome wasn't built in a day, weight loss doesn't happen overnight. It's about making walking a part of your daily routine and sticking to it. Setting achievable goals is another crucial aspect. Rather than aiming to walk a marathon right off the bat, start with what you can manage comfortably. As your endurance builds up, gradually increase your walking time or distance. And remember to track your progress. This will not only serve as a great motivator, but will also help you adjust your goals as necessary. Incorporate different types of walking workouts into your routine, such as treadmill workouts, high-intensity interval training, or hill walking. This can enhance your weight loss efforts and keep your routine from becoming monotonous. Finally, don't forget the basics. Invest in proper footwear to avoid injuries and stay hydrated. These are as essential to your weight loss journey as the walking itself. Remember, it's not about achieving a marathon in a day, but about consistent, achievable steps towards your weight loss goals. Now that you know how much to walk, let's explore how you can make your walks more effective for weight loss. Firstly, consider incorporating various walking workout plans. For instance, high-intensity interval training or HIIT, where you alternate between fast-paced walking and slower recovery periods, can help maximize calorie burn. Another effective method is hill walking, which challenges your muscles, increases your heart rate, and subsequently your calorie expenditure. But remember, it's not just about the pace or the terrain. The right footwear is vital for a comfortable and injury-free walking journey. Shoes with good arch support and cushioning can make a world of difference, ensuring you stay motivated to stick to your walking routine. Lastly, don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is crucial for all bodily functions, including metabolism. Drinking water before, during, and after your walk can help keep your energy levels up and curb hunger pangs, preventing overeating post-workout. So, mix up your walking routines, invest in good footwear, and keep that water bottle handy. With these strategies, your daily walks can become a powerful tool for weight loss. So there you have it, the transformative power of daily walking for effective weight loss. We've journeyed through the science behind how walking can help shed those extra pounds, how consistency and moderate pace are key, and how 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week can make a significant difference in your overall health. We've explored various strategies to enhance your walking workouts, whether it's on the treadmill, through high-intensity intervals, or tackling those challenging hills. Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale, but also about improving your overall well-being. With every step you take, you're not only burning calories, but also building a healthier and happier you. All this isn't just hearsay, but backed by scientific research and findings. So why not give it a shot? Incorporate walking into your daily routine and track your progress. You'll be surprised at what you can achieve with a simple activity like walking. If you found this video useful, please leave a comment below. And remember, every step you take is a step closer to your weight loss goals. Happy walking!